Morning guys, today I've come to visit our partners here at Chartwell to have a look around their Supercar body shop and learn a bit more about what they do. So let's go and take a look.
Chartwell are the UK's #1 super brand body shop with full structural approval from the world's leading supercar manufacturers. Offering repair services both direct to consumer and via UK insurers, their specialist tooling and manufacturer approved status ensures that even the most complicated of repairs are completed to an exceptional standard while maintaining your vehicle's warranty.
This has always been seen as kind of the pinnacle of the repair industry. Anything's possible really with the equipment that we have, and the training and the knowledge. There's not a lot we can't do.
If there's something needed to make the job where we need to be with it, we get there first. We know it's a robot, but they all know that that job has to be as good as they possibly can, and they do.
We're all about getting it better than the factory got it. It's not like you just come into work, it's more of a passion.
Together with Chartwell, we'll be hosting an STUK member meet here on Saturday the 15th of April. Come and take a look for yourself and we look forward to seeing you there.